Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Top 10 fun and educational crafts for kids. So make sure to watch the full video. Introduction. Crafting is a delightful way for children to explore their creativity, develop essential skills, and have fun. Engaging in crafts helps kids improve their fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and imaginative thinking. In this video, we present the top 10 fun and educational crafts for kids. These crafts are designed to entertain, educate, and inspire young minds, making them perfect for parents, teachers, and caregivers seeking meaningful and enjoyable activities for children. 1. Paper plate animal masks. Let your child's imagination run wild as they create paper plate animal masks. Using simple materials like paper plates, craft paper, and markers, kids can design their favorite animal masks. Not only does this craft promote creativity, but it also encourages dramatic play, helping children explore different animal characters. Materials needed: paper plates, craft paper, markers, scissors, glue, popsicle sticks. 2. Nature College. Take your kids on a nature scavenger hunt to collect leaves, flowers, and other natural treasures. Back home, provide them with a large piece of paper and glue, and watch as they create beautiful nature collages. This craft fosters a connection to the environment while honing their observation and artistic skills. Materials needed: various leaves, flowers, twigs, large paper, glue. 3. DIY slime. Making homemade slime is a favorite among kids of all ages. This sensory activity not only sparks joy but also introduces kids to basic chemistry concepts. You can customize the slime with different colors, glitter, and textures, allowing kids to explore various scientific reactions. Materials needed: clear glue, borax, water, food coloring, glitter, optional. 4. Popsicle stick puppets. Popsicle stick puppets are a fantastic craft to encourage storytelling and imaginative play. Kids can create their characters, superheroes, or favorite storybook characters using popsicle sticks and craft supplies. This craft nurtures storytelling skills and boosts self-expression. Materials needed: popsicle sticks, craft paper, markers, glue, scissors. 5. Handprint art. Handprint art is a sentimental craft that captures a moment in time. Kids can use their hands to create animals, flowers, or even family members' handprint portraits. This craft enhances fine motor skills and provides an opportunity for a memorable keepsake. Materials needed: washable paint, large paper, or canvas. 6. Origami adventures. Origami is an ancient Japanese art of paper folding that can captivate kids with its intricacy and simplicity. Learning to fold paper into various shapes and animals introduces children to geometry and develops patience and focus. Materials needed: origami paper or any square paper. Instructions: plenty available online. 7. Friendship bracelets. Friendship bracelets are a timeless craft that fosters creativity and promotes friendship. Kids can use colorful threads to create intricate patterns and exchange these bracelets with their friends, making cherished tokens of their bond. Materials needed: embroidery threads or yarn. Beads, optional. 8. DIY bird feeders. Building bird feeders is an exciting craft that brings nature closer to home. Kids can use recycled materials like empty soda bottles or pine cones to create bird feeders. This craft nurtures compassion for wildlife and provides opportunities for bird watching. Materials needed: empty soda bottles, pine cones, bird seeds, string. 9. Cardboard box creations. Imagination knows no bounds with cardboard box creations. Kids can transform simple cardboard boxes into castles, spaceships, or anything their minds envision. This craft promotes problem-solving and resourcefulness while encouraging open-ended play. Materials needed: cardboard boxes, craft supplies like markers, paint, and glue. 10. Rock painting. Rock painting is a fun and creative craft that turns ordinary rocks into colorful masterpieces. Kids can decorate rocks with vibrant colors, patterns, and even cute characters. This craft allows children to explore their artistic side and decorate their living space or share their creations as gifts. Materials needed: smooth rocks, acrylic paint, paintbrushes, and a sealant if used outdoors. Conclusion: engaging in crafts offers a world of possibilities for children to express themselves, learn new skills, and have fun. The top 10 fun and educational crafts presented here provide an excellent starting point for parents, teachers, and caregivers seeking creative activities to keep kids entertained and inspired. From unleashing creativity with paper plate masks and nature collages to exploring scientific reactions with DIY slime and fostering storytelling with popsicle stick puppets, these crafts cater to a wide range of interests and developmental needs. Embrace the joy of crafting with your little ones as they learn, grow, and create cherished memories that last a lifetime. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.